Hello guys, my name is Mason Andres and I'm going to present to you my board work. So the problem number 1 is suppose a student wants to triple his money which is worth of 12,000 pesos and decided to deposit it. How long it will take to triple his money if there's an annual interest of 7.5% compounded by monthly. So let's begin by drawing a cash flow diagram. So we have P is equals to 12,000 pesos, our F is equals 36,000 pesos, and our nominal rate interest is 7.5% compounded by monthly. In our given, we have present value is equals to 12,000 pesos, future value is 36,000 pesos because he wants to triple his money, therefore we only need to multiply 3 times the 12,000 pesos in order to obtain the future value. Our nominal rate interest is 7.5%. Our number of compounding periods per year is 6. Bi-monthly is equals to 6. And we are going to solve for the total number of interest period. So the general equation of our compound interest is F is equals to P times the quantity 1 plus I raised to N. Since it is compounded by monthly for the nominal interest rate of 7.5%, interest rate is provided as follows. Hence, F is equals to P times the quantity 1 plus R over M raised to M times N. Solving for its total number of interest period of N, we are just going to substitute the given value to the corresponding formula. So 36,000 is equals to 12,000 times the quantity 1 plus 0.075 over 6 raised to 6 times N. We just divide both sides by 12,000 as the principal value or the present value, and we obtain 3 is equals to the quantity of 1 plus 0.075 over 6 raised to 6 times N. Applying the laws of natural log, we can equate both sides of the equation to find N, which is ln of 3 is equals ln time of the quantity 1 plus 0.075 over 6 raised to 6 times N. Recalling the power rule, which is natural log of x raised to y is equals y times the natural log of x, which we obtain ln of 3 is equals 6 times n times ln of 1 plus 0.075 over 6. So we obtain the natural log of 3 over the 6 times the natural log of 1 plus 0.075 over 6. Therefore, we obtain 14.74 years or 14 years, 8 months, and 27 days. For the number 2 problem, a bank offered an investment to a student with compounded monthly interest of 10.7%. The student changed his mind and decided to change his plan to become compounded semi-annually. So, what is the nominal and effective rate of the new plan? Assuming that he gained 317,560 pesos after 9 years and 3 months of depositing, how much did he deposit? Again, let's begin by drawing a cash flow diagram. The arrow that is pointed downward shows the unknown money which is deposited, and the money gain indicates pointed upwards. First, we have to find the nominal rate of the new plan. The given when that student changed his mind and decided to change his plan to become compounded semi-annually, where semi-annually M is equals to, there is unknown R which is we need to find. So when the bank offered an investment to a student with a compounded monthly interest, which is a monthly interest is equivalent to 12 and the interest is given is 10.7%, that indicates the R. To find the nominal rate from this problem, we have to equate the corresponding effective rates as the effective rate and effective rate A. We indicate the effective rate A that's similar to the subscript of M sub A and R sub A to show that there is the distinct between two equations. Therefore, the right hand side shows with a subscript and the left hand side shows without the subscript. So, from the corresponding equation, we obtain the effective rate formula equals the quantity 1 plus I raised to m minus 1 times 100%, where I is equals to R over m. So substituting I, we obtain the quantity 1 plus R over m raised to m minus 1 times 100%. From the corresponding equation, we obtain the quantity 1 plus R over m raised to m minus 1 equals the quantity 1 plus R sub a over m sub a raised to m sub a minus 1. Substituting the given values to the formula, we obtain the quantity 1 plus R over 2 raised to minus 1 equals the quantity 1 plus 0.107 over 12 raised to 12 minus 1. Therefore, we obtain R equals to 0.1094 times 100%, and the nominal rate of the new plant is equivalent to 10.94%. Next, we are going to find for the effective rate of the new plant. So the given formula of the effective rate, we all know that the quantity 1 plus R over m raised to m minus 1 times 100. Obtaining the given values, we have the R as the nominal rate of 10.94%, and we have the compounded semi-annually, m is equals to 2. Substituting the given value to the formula, we obtain the effective rate is equals to the quantity 1 plus 0.1094 over 2 raised to 2 minus 1. Therefore, we obtain the effective rate of the new plant, which is equals to 11.24%. Next, assuming that he gained 317,560 pesos after 9 years and 3 months of depositing, how much did he deposit? We have the given values, which is F is equals to 317,650 pesos. The semi-annually, M is equals to 2. The nominal rate, R is equals to 10.94%, and we need to convert 9 years and 3 months of depositing into years itself. So 9 years and 3 months, where 3 months times 1 year over 12 months, we just cancel the months. So 3 over 12 is equals to 0.25 year plus 9 years. Therefore, we obtain 9.25 years. Solving for the amount that he deposited, we have the formula F is equals P times the quantity 1 plus R over m raised to m times n. So we have to substitute the given values. So 317,560 pesos equals P times the quantity 1 plus 0.1094 over 2 raised to 2 times 9.25. So therefore, we obtain the principal value 317,560 pesos all over the quantity 1 plus 0.0547 raised to 18.5, and we have the depositing amount of 118,560 pesos and 57 cents. So the cash flow diagram will the future amount is 317,560 pesos, and the amount he deposit is 118,560 pesos and 57 cents. Thank you for listening and stay safe.